Harbor Freight just dropped the April ITC deal, Gray, and let me tell you, some of this stuff is priced at Black Friday levels, maybe even lower. I'm not hyping this up. We're talking tools for under 20 bucks that punch way above their weight class, like 4 or 5 times their price tag. This isn't just a sale. It's basically legalized robbery in your favor. But here's the kicker. The best deals have a shorter shelf life than a gallon of milk. By the time you finish this video and head over there, they might already be out of stock. If you're building your garage, wrenching on cars, or just looking to beef up your toolbox, this is the window you've been waiting for all year. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to grab, what to skip, and how to milk that ITC membership for every penny. Watch until the end, because you'll never buy tools the same way again. Before we dive into the deals, let's set the stage. This isn't your average clearance rack. This is specifically for the Inside Track Club. If you're a member, you get the early bird treatment better prices and a head start. This time, it's overlapping with Spring Black Friday, so the discounts are deeper than a New York pothole. ITC members get early access starting April 6th, while the general public has to wait until the 10th. But if you've ever hunted deals at Harbor Freight, you know the drill. By the time the doors open for everyone else, the good stuff is long gone. So if you see something you actually need, don't overthink it. Those top-tier deals won't wait for you. Now let's get down to business. All right, no more fluff. Let's jump straight into the no-brainers, the stuff so cheap you just toss it in the cart and keep moving. Kicking things off with a shocker, a mini flashlight for just $1.79. Now don't look down on this little guy just because of the price. This thing pumps out about 140 lumens. For those who don't speak flashlight, that's enough to light up a pitch-black engine bay or that dark abyss under your kitchen sink. Full disclosure, I bought about a dozen. One for the glove box, one for my kid to go exploring in his tent. It's cheaper than a cup of coffee, but built with a solid aluminum body that feels legit, not like some flimsy plastic toy. Is it a mag light? Of course not. But for something you can beat up and not care about losing, it's the undisputed champ. Anyone ever drop this thing off a ladder? Drop a comment and let me know if it survived. Next up is the one that actually blew my mind, the Quinn pliers set for $9.99. Usually you walk into a big box store and a single pair of pliers from Klein or Milwaukee will set you back 20 bucks. Here you get the whole squad. People say you get what you pay for, but I've put these to the test, cutting copper wire, twisting hard, galvanized steel. The blades stayed sharp. No chipping at all. The textured grips are great too, even when your hands are covered in engine oil. It's an 80 to 90% performance match for the high-end brands at a fraction of the cost. Last on this list is the king of practicality, the Thunderbolt alkaline batteries for $3.99. I know it's not a shiny new power tool, but trust me, you'll thank me in 6 months. Think about it. TV remotes, kids' toys, or your laser thermometers in the shop. Why pay triple for Duracell when these do the job just as well for everyday use? Which one of these three are you grabbing first? If this boots on the ground info is helping you out, smash that like and subscribe button. We're not just looking for cheap thrills here. This channel is about the tool bloodline, making sure you never overpay by a single cent. These items are great for filling up the toolbox, but if you're looking for the heavy hitters, the tools that actually change the way you work, you need to see part 2. I'm talking about beast mode machines that the big brands are terrified of. Let's roll. All right, if the last segment was about buying without thinking, this part is what I call smart investing. These aren't just impulse buys. These are long-term additions to your arsenal. As someone who's been swinging wrenches and running power tools for over a decade, here's my philosophy: best value doesn't mean the cheapest. It means getting the absolute peak performance for every single cent you drop. Here are the best value warriors I've cherry-picked from this April ITC event. First up, the Quinn 66-piece socket set for $49.99. Let's be real, if you don't have a proper socket set, yet this is the perfect entry point. 66 pieces covering both SAE and metric with 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch drives. That means you're covered for everything from tiny household screws to the stubborn bolts on your car or bike. The build quality, it's got some heft to it. Is the ratchet as buttery smooth as a gear wrench or a Tecton? Maybe not, but at this price point, it gets the job done without breaking a sweat. Usually comparable sets from the big box brands will run you $80 to $120. You're basically saving 50% and getting a kit that'll last you years. Next, the 1/2-inch drive breaker bar for $16.99. I call this the silent savior. For $17, you get 25 inches of solid steel. And size matters here, folks. The longer the bar, the more leverage you've got. Picture this, you're stuck on the shoulder of the road in the blistering heat, trying to swap a flat tire, and the puny lug wrench that came with the car just won't budge. That's when this breaker bar shines. One quick push, a satisfying crack. And even the most rusted-on bolt surrenders. Don't wait for an emergency to buy this, toss it in your trunk today. Saving yourself one tow truck call already pays for this tool 10 times over. Hey, are these deals hitting the spot, or what if you're addicted to the smell of grease and the sound of a drill like I am? Hit that subscribe button right now. I've got plenty of tips to help you optimize your setup without having to take out a second mortgage. I mean, we'd all rather buy solid tools and still have enough left over to take the family out for a nice dinner. Right? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Now let's get into the heavy hitters, the power tools. Take the Bauer 15-amp surface planer for around $299.99. 15 amps means this motor has the guts to chew through hardwoods without bogging down. I used this to resurface an old wooden table at home. The finish was smooth even and just plain satisfying to look at. Compared to a DeWalt planer, which can cost double, the Bauer might not be as polished, but in terms of pure performance, it gives you 80 to 90% of the results for 60 to 70% of the price. Or how about the Hercules SDS Max rotary hammer for $349.99? This is a beast for heavy-duty concrete work. SDS-Max means you're tackling the big jobs, breaking walls, drilling through thick slabs. If you've ever hired a contractor for this stuff, you know how fast the labor costs add up. Buy this once, own it forever. The ROI, return on investment, is crystal clear. In short, this isn't just cheap, it's real-world value. If you're building a serious kit, what's the one thing you're missing most? A socket set? A new power tool? Drop a comment below. And if you like this straight talk, no BS analysis, you know what to do, hit subscribe. But listen up if these still aren't heavy enough for you, or if you've been waiting for that one massive deal to overhaul your entire workshop, don't go anywhere. We're moving into the big ticket deals next, where the multi-$100 gear gets some serious price cuts. Trust me, this is where we start saving the real money. Let's roll. All right, everyone, let's pull up a chair and have a serious talk. The stuff I've shown you so far is great for filling up the toolbox, but in this big ticket section, we're talking about heavyweight investments. These are buy once, use for a decade kind of tools. If you don't pull the trigger during this April 2026 ITC event, you might be waiting a long time to see prices this juicy again. First off, look at this beast, the Predator inverter generator, snagging a whisper-quiet, high-output generator for $999 is an absolute steal. Why am I vouching for this? As a veteran in the trades, I've been through it all, the power cutting out in the middle of the night while the family is sleeping, or worse, having my workshop gear go dead right in the middle of a critical job. This Predator uses inverter technology, meaning the power it spits out is clean and stable, perfectly safe for sensitive gear like your laptops or high-end editing rigs. It's so quiet that if you stand 10 feet away, it sounds like a humming refrigerator compared to the Honda EU series, which costs double or even triple the Predator, gives you about 95% of the performance. I've personally pushed this thing for 12 hours straight running the AC and the house lights, and it didn't even flinch. You're not just buying a tool here, you're buying peace of mind for your family. Next up is something every guy dreaming of a home garage or DIY car repair is drooling over: the Daytona floor jack. If you're in the trade, you understand ROI, return on investment. Dropping a few $100 on a 3-ton Super Duty jack will save you an incredible amount of time and back-breaking labor. The way it lifts a heavy-duty pickup truck with just a few smooth pumps, no wobbling, no struggling, it's just satisfying. And that signature Daytona yellow powder coat, It's not just there to mimic Snap-on, it's incredibly resistant to chemicals and grease. Here's the one thing I want you to remember. Big-ticket items like these don't get deep discounts every day. You can procrastinate now, but when an emergency hits, you'll end up paying way more. If you're eyeing a big-ticket item, drop a comment. Are you hunting for a generator or garage tools? I read every single one, and I'll give you my honest take. Can you smell the savings yet? If this real-world breakdown is helping you keep more cash in your pocket, don't be stingy, hit that like and subscribe button. Your support is what keeps me going, scrutinizing every bolt and every price tag, so we can all level up together. What's the big-ticket item for your workshop this year? Let me know below, and I'll help you weigh the pros and cons. These big items are the backbone of a professional shop. But wait, don't go rushing to the checkout counter just yet. I've still got a secret weapon for you at the end of this video. If you think saving a few $100 is big, buckle up. Up next, we're moving to the Spring Black Friday % off deals. This is where the rulebook on pricing gets thrown out the window with discounts so steep you won't believe your eyes. Let's keep rolling. Buckle up, everyone, because this is where the adrenaline really starts pumping. We're heading into the massive % off section, or what I like to call Spring Black Friday. Usually you'd have to wait until November to see numbers like these, but for the April 2026 ITC Harbor Freight is going all in, starting strong with the Braun lighting line at 40% off. Listen closely, 40%. If you're still struggling with those dim, flickering garage lights or cheapo flashlights, toss them in the bin. Braun's LED work lights, especially the folding underhood models, are so bright they'll let you see into the very soul of your engine. We're talking over 390 lumens with a magnetic base that snaps onto your hood like it's part of the frame, leaving both your hands free to wrench. I actually ran over one of these with my truck by accident once, and that ABS plastic housing didn't even crack. It's a tank. Compared to those fancy $100 Snap-on lights, Braun is the absolute budget assassin. At 40% off, your wallet will thank you for this one. Next up, here's the real shocker. Icon is 35% off. Any pro mechanic watching this knows that Icon is basically a slap in the face to big dogs like Snap-on and Mac Tools. When you hold an Icon wrench or hex bit, you feel the difference. Zero tolerance precision. The chrome vanadium steel is machined so perfectly that it hugs the bolt head, completely killing that fear of slipping and busting your knuckles. I always tell the rookies, if you want to level up your game, get pro-grade gear. And if you want pro-grade without the debt hunt for Icon. Seeing 35% off on professional-grade tools is as rare as a clean shop floor. Don't let these sell out and leave you kicking yourself later. By the way, has anyone here scored a 40% off deal at Harbor Freight that's lasted you more than 5 years? Drop your war stories in the comments. And finally, don't sleep on the safety gear. 40% off on heavy-duty work gloves. As a veteran in the shop, I know exactly how much it stings to get a metal splinter or a nasty cut. These gloves don't just protect your skin, they give you a death grip on your tools thanks to the high-friction coating. I always keep a few extra pairs in the cabinet because let's face it, in the world of DIY, you're always going to need a fresh set eventually. You see it, right? The pace of this sale is getting intense. But if you're still feeling overwhelmed by this sea of deals, don't sweat it. I've done the homework for you. Right now, let's move to the top picks, insider picks. These are my personal must-haves from a guy with 10 years in the trades, the absolute cream of the crop, so you don't waste a single penny. Let's go. All right, guys, we've waded through a sea of deals. And I bet some of you are feeling a bit cross-eyed right now. As a veteran who's wasted plenty of stupid money on shiny tools that turned out to be paperweights, let me cut through the noise for you. If your budget is tight today and you can only grab 3 things for your shop, these are my insider picks, the ride or die choices for this April 2026 ITC event. Don't laugh because I'm picking something so basic. Picture this. You're flat on your back under a car hands covered in grease, and you're fumbling around trying to tell a 5mm from a 6mm hex key. It's pure frustration. These color-coded keys are a total game changer. One glance at the color and you know the size, it's completely intuitive. The steel is rock solid too, no twisting or rounding off bolt heads like those cheap O-sets from the bargain bin. This is the perfect budget alternative to those high-end German wear-sets. I've beaten mine up for 2 years and the color coding hasn't even flaked. Trust me, $15 to $20 for this level of convenience is a steal. Next up, if you don't have a proper socket set, yet grab that Quinn set I mentioned earlier. Why did it make my top 3? Because it's the perfect balance. It's not so expensive that you have to treat it like fine china, but it's high quality enough that it won't strip the bolts on your family car. I remember working on a bike project with my son. He accidentally dropped the whole case onto the concrete floor and not a single piece cracked or chipped. The Quinn ratchet feels substantial in your hand. That click-click is crisp and mechanical, not that hollow cheap sound you get with low-end gear. And finally, a battery-powered beast from Bauer. Why a blower instead of a drill or grinder? Because this thing is the Swiss Army knife for DIY dads. Besides clearing sawdust out of the workshop after a project, I use it to dry off the car after a wash and even blow dust out of the sofa crevices at home. The CFM airflow on this thing is incredible for the price. It punches right up there with Milwaukee, but costs about half. Just invest in one Bauer battery and you're ready to jump into their entire ecosystem later on. Does that top 3 convince you? If my veteran's intuition hits home for you, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I don't want you missing out on any golden deals in 2026. Which of these 3 is your favorite? Or do you have a different top 3? Let's hear it in the comments. I'll be down there chatting with you. Now you've picked your gear, but how do you get the deal of a lifetime without the store clerks giving you a weird look that, my friends, is an art form? Right now I'm sharing my smart shopping strategies. I'll show you how to stack ITC perks, coupons, and checkout hacks to maximize your savings. Let's move. This part is crucial. Okay. This is the most important part of the video because it dictates whether you're actually saving money or just thinking you are. First, if you have ITC, buy early. Remember, the Inside Track Club isn't just a discount card, it's a VIP pass. Those too good to be true deals like the $9.99 pliers or the 40% off Braun lights usually vanish from the shelves within the first 48 hours. Don't wait for the weekend rush. Hit the store on a Monday or Tuesday morning. Trust me, standing in front of a fully stocked shelf feels a lot better than staring at a red sold-out tag. Second, prioritize the high-frequency tools. I know that Predator Generator or the Daytona Jack looks amazing, but be realistic. What tool are you going to hold in your hand 5 days a week? It's the sockets, the pliers, and the work lights. Put your budget into the things that save you time every day first. Don't fall into the trap of buying a trophy tool that just sits on a shelf for 6 months. Third, don't buy it just because it's cheap. Harbor Freight is a master at triggering emotional shopping. Oh, it's so cheap, just grab it. But as a smart mechanic, check your toolbox at home before you go. However, on the flip side, if you see an early Black Friday deal with 40% off on something you know you'll need soon, don't hesitate. That's not spending, that's a calculated investment. What about you? Do you have a secret weapon for hunting deals? Any coupon stacking hacks the store employees don't want us to know? Share them in the comments so we can all learn together, and hit that like button if this straight talk helped you out. And that's a wrap. You've now got the ultimate hit list for the best Harbor Freight ITC deals of April 2026 right in your pocket. I truly hope these boots on the ground insights help you level up your workshop while still leaving plenty of cash to take the family out for a great dinner this weekend. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Join our community as we hunt down the highest quality gear at the absolute lowest, dirt cheap prices. Your support is exactly what fuels me to keep doing these deep dive breakdowns for you guys. Just a quick heads up, this video is based on my personal experience as a veteran in the trades and the promotion info available at the time of filming. Prices and stock levels can vary depending on your local Harbor Freight branch. Always double check the specs and the warranty policies before you pull the trigger and drop your hard-earned cash. I hope you find exactly what you're looking for. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay safe and keep wrenching.